Morning gang, today is a glorious day. Where is she at? Where are you hiding? Where are you hiding?
My turn.
It is your turn. Today, Rosie and Noah go to kindergarten camp, so they get to meet their teachers, spend kind of a half day at school, and this is their new school. And you just pickpocketed me. So anyways, we're gonna head up there, drop them off, and then the girls and I and Jonah are gonna go up to Hobby Lobby because they have some stuff they want to get for crafting. So that was pretty precious, wasn't it, Kennedy?
Yeah.
Little Rosie's just bebopping around. Hi, hi, hello. Hands on everything. So we dropped.
Happy.
She is very happy. She loves school, so I'm really excited for her. Noah's got a couple buddies in his class, so it'll be a good transition for him. JJ was introducing himself to everybody. Hi, I'm Jonah. I'm Jonah.
Dad, I had a feeling that Noah would go to the table with a
No, it wasn't just introducing himself. He would go, "Hi, I'm Jonah. I'm 3.
That's right.
Almost 4.
That's right. Shelby, can you get buckled for me? We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. Okay, when did they start selling like baby doll body parts?
That's what you would see in your nightmares.
This is...
Look, they have hair. Shelby,
This is creepy. And they bury it over in the clearance section too.
Look at the very top.
Just random doll faces.
Up there at the top.
Yeah. Batman shelf. That needs to go in your room. These are awesome.
Do they have Wonder Woman?
Yes, I don't know.
Dad, I think I might have these.
So can somebody tell me the new obsession with these fidget spinner things?
Jonas, I told Dad.
Look at he's tearing into it like it's a birthday cake.
Spinner. Jonah walks by an aisle.
Fidget spinner! That's incredible. Alright, so we're here to pick up Noah and Rosie. See how their first day went. Was that a good first day? How cute. Peekaboo. How was your first day? Did you have fun? Let me see your pretty picture. Let's see your picture. Let's take a look. Oh. How nice. Let's see this side. I love it. Very cute. The kids absolutely loved their first kind of quasi day at school. It was kindergarten camp. The parents also had like an hour-long meeting, which was informative. It was good. I needed to hear a lot of that stuff. This is a new dynamic for both Angie and I. So a lot of really good information. It was nice to see a lot of friendly faces. I know we have some family friends whose kids also attend the school here. And Rosie and Noah both had a blast. It was really cute because Noah went up and gave his teacher a hug after when we were leaving, and that's always a good sign. So good start.
I don't know what Sierra told you, but it sounds like the kids had a really good day at kindergarten camp. Jonah and Rue are taking their rest time, and which we're probably gonna stop having Rosie take rest time here in the next like less than week, because she starts school really soon and she's not gonna get rest time anymore, and I don't want her to be so used to it that she has a hard time. So hopefully she'll do okay without rest time. I think in kindergarten they sometimes give them some time, but I'm not certain on that. But I'm just sitting here snuggling. It's Amelia. And if you follow me on Instagram or watch my Instagram stories, you'll have seen that I had talked about how Ivy is a little more of a high needs baby. She reminds me a lot of Kennedy when she was a baby. She wants to be held a lot, which is fine. Like I've said before, I don't think you can spoil a baby by holding them too much. But when you have 2 babies, it's a little harder. And so Daddy got her to sleep, got Ivy to sleep, and she is in the swing. And so now me and Miss Amelia get some snuggle time. All right, I'm coming up here to connect myself to that good old bad boy over there that's become my BFF. So one of the things I usually do when I pump is work on our like calendar. And you guys know, I've talked before, I am normally I need a pen and paper type calendar. That's normally the kind of person that I am. However, with the 2 kids being in school this year, plus my work schedule, CR's work schedule, keeping up with the kids' activities now that, you know, a handful of our kids are in activities and we have doctor's appointments and, you know, specialist appointments. If we just have a ton going on, and you guys know that. I mean, there's no way you have 7 kids without having a ton going on. And one of the things that we have struggled with is kind of keeping everything organized and feeling like, you know, we have this month or last month, I think July, I guess it was, we missed a specialist appointment for one of our kids because my husband booked it while he was at work, forgot to tell me, and so we missed it because it wasn't on the calendar. We had been writing things on the side of the fridge and that just wasn't really working. We have started using this new, it's a website and also an app. It's called picnic.com, and they have partnered with us on today's vlog. But you guys, you know, we do partnerships, and I always tell you guys, you know, we will never share something with you that we don't legitimately like, use, or whatever. I am like giddy excited about this website. As I have been using it and going through it, I am fully convinced that at any family, this app is like, I hate to say life-changing because that sounds a bit dramatic, but it really, really is. And I'm going to show you guys why, because I really feel like if you have kids, you have a family, this can totally just be such a game changer, you guys. It's been incredible for us in just the short time that we've been using it. I will leave a link down in the description box for you guys to access this website. But basically what it is like a family assistant, if you will. So you can see that we have, it allows you to create a, like a user for each person in your family. So there's me, CR, Kennedy, Shelby, Rosie, Noah, Jonah, and then this one is Ivy and Amelia, but it only shows the first 3 letters. So it's just Ivy. I put them together. This is kind of like your grand central station, if you will. This kind of houses all the basic information, but you have like a section here for a calendar, your to-do lists, family news, special events coming up. You can do a family locator. There's different group events. You have an info locker here, and I'll show you some more on that in a second. Shopping lists, recipes, all that kind of stuff. So I'm looking at it under myself right now. And because you can assign different things to different people, I could look at it under CR and see what kind of like to-do things he has, because you can assign based on family members. Everybody is color coded and stuff, so you can see like we have here that our grandma comes, Ivy and Amelia have a doctor's appointment, first day of school, we have haircut appointments, but like for example the haircuts, you can see that that's been assigned to Kennedy, Shelby, and Rosie. You can click on the to-do list, and so for example I have here for myself to do my sit down and film the birth story for you guys because y'all been asking for that. So that's on here as one of my to-do, but shopping lists. So we have 2 different shopping lists going, one for Costco, one for Target. So since we both have this on our phones, if my husband goes to Costco, he can just pull up the app, see what's on our list of stuff that we want to get from Costco and mark it off. So he doesn't have to text me, he doesn't have to call me, we don't have to write a list and stick it on the fridge. If either one of us is ever at one of these places, we can just open up the app and see what's been added, because anybody, he or I, can add to those lists. We've got birthdays, so you don't forget anybody's birthdays or special events coming up. You can add anybody. This part, I think, this is the part that we are like super jazzed about, because y'all know we have been trying to get onto doing a better job of meal planning. So like tonight we have someone bringing us food. My friend Jenny is bringing us dinner tonight, but then they also have here where you can look up recipes. There's all these recipes saved on Picnic. You can add your own recipes in here too, not just theirs, and you can include your ingredients and stuff so that those get added over to your shopping list. Like, what an easy way to meal plan. I just think it's genius. Tomorrow night we're having taco cupcakes. The night after we're having lasagna. So we kind of got all this stuff going on here. Like I said, here's the recipes where you can do online recipes, custom recipes, all that stuff. You can do the family locator. Like I said, I'm not going to click on that. I feel like this website is so innovative and so helpful for families, especially families who have multiple children with multiple things going on, school things to keep track of, sports things to keep track of. It lets, especially for mom and dad, for key communication, it really saves so much time, like to be able to have this information all in one place that my husband and I can both access. And they've also launched this new feature, and because I have the app on my phone too, I was just showing you guys on my computer because it's bigger, but they have the on the app they've added this new feature, and she's kind of like a personal assistant named Pia. So she gives you a little greeting and then gives you the weather for your area, and then you can go on here and talk to her and schedule events. You can ask for a daily update. She'll access your calendar and everything you have going on and let you know what you got coming up if you've got anything going on. I feel like this just combines so many things to make life more efficient, which is just so key for families, is being able to be efficient with your time. And I feel like this is so helpful. I will leave the link for Picnic down below in the description box. I definitely think you should check it out. I really think this is just like revolutionary as far as like family planning and organization goes.
Okay, that's just the cutest stinking thing you've ever seen, isn't it? Look at her little toes. I think she sees a squirrel. I do. I think she sees a squirrel or a bird. She's like a statue right now. Chloe. Chloe. Are you waking up? Is it time to eat? Unfortunately. Hello, little missy. Is it your turn to eat?
So I've been upstairs and CR fed the babies some pumped milk and then put them in their swings. Been happily sleeping in their swings.
Pretty much the whole time.
Pretty much the whole time. And then I came downstairs and started talking to him, and as soon as I started talking, they both started stirring and fussing. They hear my voice and they're like, ah, she's back. Let's cry now. She'll pick us up.
Like, I got this dad thing down pat.
He can get them to sleep or whatever, but if they hear my voice, man, they're like, oh, she's
Dude, I want
back.
to be able to do that.
Carry us. Yeah, good luck with that. Sorry, watching something on TV. This guy's like spinning in a hoop. I don't know what he's doing. Somebody is bringing us dinner tonight again, which is awesome. I don't know what she's bringing, but she's bringing us some food. So that's like been so crazy helpful to have somebody else do dinner, right? Are you just being gross back there? God.
It's been
and then your belly shakes.
amazingly helpful.
Yeah, seriously. You have something stuck to your shoe? A couple of things. See, our step is gum. It's a good oblique workout. So, Aunt Ashley to the rescue. Someone pointed out in one of our last vlogs that, sorry, my voice is scratchy, that Jonah's seat looked like he'd outgrown it. And he definitely hasn't outgrown it. It just needed to be adjusted, and I hadn't gotten around to doing that. But my sister, who is the car seat diva, that's a better word. It is a nicer word. So she just came over and helped get Jonah adjusted and in his seat properly. So everything fits now. So thank you guys for pointing that out. It's all fixed and squared away. So thank you guys for pointing that out. We got all taken care of. Now.
And now I have a chicken.
A little bitty chicken. And
Chicken snuggles are my reward.
And Miss Amelia, who's dreaming and smiling and sleeping. What you doing? Yeah?
Did you win again?
I always do. I just mainly try to be
Neighbor back there is having a party.
It's too loud, Dad.
It's too loud?
Yep.
Well, they're having a party. They probably think we're pretty loud too.
Yep.
Whoa, where are you? Oh, a little off-roading.
I'm trying to do my crafts thing too.
Are you? I changed some of the settings. I saw some comments of people that were saying that every now and again it would get blurry. And pretty sure I got it fixed. So you guys tell me, at this point on in the vlog, let me know if you guys are still having some weird visual effects. Are you? That's a nice little trick there. And here they come around turn number one, turn number one. Winner is Kennedy Jane. Comes Noah around turn number one, turn number two. He's the winner. There goes JJ. Hello, little bitty. Hello, little peanut. You see yourself. Kind of. Are you ready to do some Mad Libs?
Yes.
We're gonna do some Mad Libs with these gals here and have some
babies.
chuckles.
The babies are
And maybe kick this one's hiccups. So we're gonna call it a night tonight. The little kids are in bed. I have no idea what's on the agenda for tomorrow, but we will catch you guys later. Sign us out.
Bye.
That's not our.
See you later, tweets.
Thank you.